Hello students. So in this video, I'm just going to discuss about the difference between molecules and atoms. So here I am writing all the points that are the difference between atoms and elements. Okay, the difference between atoms and molecules. Okay, so I'm just drawing separate out first is atom. Okay, and here you have molecules. Okay, so in similar manner you have to write in examination if there is a question is asking you what is the difference between atoms and molecules. Okay, so first point of atoms is, that atoms are the smallest smallest particle. Okay, smallest particles, or it is unit of matter which does not exist independently. Okay. Similarly, molecules is the unit of smallest unit of any elements or compounds which exist independently. Okay. So this is first one. In second point, atoms are very reactive. Okay. So atoms are very reactive. That means they are take part in chemical reaction very fast. Okay. Whereas in case of molecules, their molecules are less reactive. Okay. Less reactive. That means they are take part in chemical reaction very slowly. This is second point. Okay. Now I am coming to third point, that is atoms cannot be subdivided. You know that atoms cannot further divided. So atoms cannot be subdivided. Okay. But on the other hand, molecules can be subdivided. That means here this point explain you that these molecules can be further divided into simpler further unit. Okay. Whereas in case of atom, you cannot go further subdivided or cannot break down into simpler unit. This is third point. Okay. Next is fourth one, and it is the last one. That is, in case of atom, there is no chemical bond is formed. So, in case of atoms, there is no chemical bond. Okay, but whereas in case of molecules, atoms are combined. Atoms are chemically combined chemically combine and forms molecules. Okay, and this chemical combinations, okay, by this chemical combination they form chemical bond, and by this chemical combination they form chemical bond. Okay, so that's all in the difference between atoms and molecule. So once again I explain all the points. Atoms are the smallest atoms are the smallest particles, or it is the unit, okay, of matter which does not exist independently. Molecules is the smallest unit of any elements, okay, and compounds which exist independently. Okay, so point number 2, atoms are very reactive, whereas the molecules are less reactive. Atoms cannot be subdivided, but molecules can be subdivided. Fourth point and last point, that is atoms. There is no chemical bond. Okay, whereas in one case of molecules, atoms are chemically combined and forms molecules, and by this chemical combination, they form chemical bonds. Okay, so that's all in the difference between atoms and molecule. Now I am going to discuss about molecules of atoms. Okay, so second point is molecules of elements. What about molecules of elements? The molecules of an elements are formed by the combination of two or more atoms of the same elements. Okay, so the molecules of an elements, the molecules of an elements are formed by the combination of two or more than two same elements. So what is the molecules of an molecules of an elements are formed by the combination of two or more two or more than two same elements. Now I'm going to explain these things. For suppose you have an example of atom of oxygen atom. So oxygen atom has a symbol of O. Now the molecule of oxygen, okay, molecule of oxygen is symbol of O2. Here two oxygen atom, or see these two oxygen atom chemically combine to each other and they form oxygen O2 molecules. Similarly, if you have another example, that is hydrogen, it is known as hydrogen molecules. So here you have seen that two hydrogen atom, okay, so two hydrogen atom two hydrogen atoms chemically combine and forms H2 molecules. Okay, where the elements are same and the molecule is known as H2 molecules, oxygen molecule. Similar example, this is ozone molecule. Okay, ozone molecule has a formula of O3, or its symbol is represented by O3. Here, 3 in ozone molecules, okay, 3 oxygen unit or oxygen atom combine together and forms ozone or O3 molecules. Another example you can take, that is another example is N2 molecule. Okay, this is known as nitrogen molecule. Here we have two nitrogen atom, chemically combine and form nitrogen molecule. So that's all about molecules of atom. Okay, thank you.